You're listening to the Finance Magnates Daily Brief, brought to you by Finance Magnates Intelligence.
Today is Wednesday, the 12th of August, 2026, and here are the main stories. An exclusive interview with MFSA CEO Kenneth Farrugia on Malta's crypto licensing and perpetual futures, eToro's $231 million deal for TradeZero, and the CFTC's order keeping Kalshi open. MFSA CEO Kenneth Farrugia has a message for crypto firms eyeing Malta. Don't bother if you're not serious. In an exclusive interview with Finance Magnates, Farrugia said the island has issued 22 licenses under MiCA, ranking 4th in the EU, a number he traced to a hardline filter first applied in 2017, when only 24 of over 200 crypto firms in the island bothered applying for a VASP license and just half made the cut. That same gatekeeping extends to perpetual futures. Farrugia confirmed that Malta expects exchanges like OKX and Crypto.com to treat Perps as CFDs, a move that would trigger strict leverage caps and marketing limits, echoing ESMA's own recent position. Prediction markets are a murkier story. Farrugia said Malta has no timeline for a decision, pointing to a gap in EU rules where gambling licenses, unlike MyFID passports, don't cross borders. On AI, Farrugia struck an optimistic tone, calling it an opportunity rather than a threat, and pointed to a Dear CEO letter setting AI expectations for license holders and their third-party tech providers. As for Malta's tight-knit regulatory scene, Farrugia was blunt. He and the firms he oversees don't have a social relationship. Read the full interview tomorrow on financemagnates.com. Among brokers, eToro agreed to buy U.S. brokerage TradeZero for up to $231 million. The NASDAQ-listed platform announced the deal alongside second-quarter results. Its revenue, or what is called as net contribution, rose 9% year-over-year to $229 million, but fell 11% from the previous quarter, with net income of $53.5 million. Its crypto trading volume dropped 73% year-over-year. TradeZero, meanwhile, brings about $80 million of annual revenue at an 81% gross margin. That puts the price at roughly 2.9 times revenue. eToro will pay in cash and up to 2.5 million newly issued shares, subject to adjustments. CEO Yoni Asia said the deal gives the company a faster path to launching new products for U.S. customers. It's eToro's third signed acquisition this year, and the first that isn't a crypto business. The deal still needs regulatory clearance and isn't expected to close until the first half of 2027. Turning to prediction markets, the CFTC ordered Kalshi yesterday to keep its exchange running. It declared New York's push to shut the platform down a market emergency. New York filed suit on July 31st, alleging Kalshi runs an illegal gambling operation. It's seeking a restraining order plus at least $36 billion in damages. CFTC Chairman Michael Selig said, New York has no business regulating interstate financial markets. The commission warned a shutdown could force Kalshi to liquidate open positions and distort prices on rival venues. This is the CFTC's second emergency order for Kalshi in under a month. A similar order protected Michigan trades from a state court directive in July. For brokers and exchanges watching state gambling law creep into derivatives, this fight is the one to track. On trader psychology, Oded Sheffer, CEO of C-Pattern, is pushing back on a widely cited stat. A Bloomberg study found 64% of daily trading men aged 18 to 29 call themselves a failure. Sheffer argues frequency alone can't explain that number. He said financial pessimism may drive some Gen Z traders into markets in the first place. It's not just a result of losses once they're already trading. Two traders placing the same 30 trades can be in completely different emotional states, he said. Frequency data alone can't tell them apart. His takeaway for brokers is that understanding client behavior takes more than a trade count. Firms that build real behavioral profiling will be the ones that keep young clients around. That's your Finance Magnates Daily Brief for Wednesday, the 12th of August. For the full stories, head to financemagnates.com. We'll be back tomorrow. Stay sharp.